How to make a myth. In a country where the air is thick with smoke and the embers are tucked just out of sight, trees try to reflect the rumors they've heard, but the pool was emptied years ago. The billboard of Cholet curls gracefully into a collage flower despite the distance and the heat. Birds strike and the engine's congestive heart failure. Rooks squatting in an empty flat. A la carte cartography. My one good eye, a lake that was once a crater. All that is holy to me is old. Burono. Yet the past smells like something is burning in the oven. Borano. Ring of Fire remix blaring on the loudspeaker at the intersection. Johnny Cash piping up unexpectedly in India. Rani Ma's voice in my head telling the story of Sita, how she survived the fire test only to endure more public trials. There is no justice for last month's old moon. Purnima, full moon fever. This month's cover girl, however, was seen last night. An empty cradle low on the horizon. Sugar crystal stars spilling onto the granite night. Genie as sugar. Genie as in Apnaki Ami Genie. I know you. Chintam as in I used to know you. But you don't answer the phone anymore when I call. Burned sugar as caramel, not caramel by the sea, a town in California where we once ate lunch on the sand. But the velvet coating over tart apples in autumn, an all-consuming metaphor that leaves me hungry. Making a legend out of your life would not be such an epic undertaking. You already have the requisite matriarch doubling as the heroine for much of your story. Who do you become when you're embracing the bitter night? The best time to translate those dreams is under the impartial noon light. I've taken to speaking in sign, scouring unpronounced memories, lullabies, hymns, songs. Any whisper will do to soothe the nagging wound. My life is still a confession. I won't trouble you to unearth my scars. No, mythology is out of the question, except perhaps if you came back and made a map of my hidden subcontinent and the legend measured in inches.
With this part right here. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce the world to Almond Joy on the drums. Almond Joy on the drums.